Money Academy.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make $2,000 to $3,000 per month with a Quora affiliate marketing strategy with step-by-step guide. I also share my exact copy-paste Quora marketing strategy that helps me to maximize my earnings in the past 4 to 5 months. Do not skip this video. First of all, check my share a sale earning proofs. In the recent month, I earned $658, $1,536, $2,032, and $3,089, with no investment required, totally free. On April 2022, I implement a Quora marketing strategy that helps me to boost my earnings, and I earn a total of $14,761 revenue in the last year from only Share a Sale affiliate network. I am also sharing the best high-paying affiliate products and how you can increase your views and followers on your Quora profile at the end of the video. Firstly, if you do not know about Share a Sale is an affiliate network that provides you products to promote and earn commissions on those products. How you can find affiliate programs in Share a Sale: simply go to Merchant Center. Share a Sale gives you a list of affiliate programs that you can promote and earn commissions. You can also set category related to your niche and promoting these products. There are also many affiliate networks available like CJ Affiliate Network and Impact. These two networks, CJ and Impact, are one of my favorite affiliate networks. But I suggest you sign up on Share a Sale network because you can easily get approval and start your earning today. Most people ask me where I find the best high-paying affiliate products. Simply go to hsupertools.com, go to the Discover tab menu, and click on Affiliate Programs. hSuperTools gives you a list of high-paying affiliate programs by providing earnings, category, and cookie duration information. Hey friends, before watching this video, please smash the subscribe button and like this video for more money-making tips. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to Quora.com if you do not know about Quora. Quora is the largest question and answering website. On Quora, people ask a question, and you answer those questions to help people. Check my Quora profile stats. Amazing, I gained 80,000 views on my Quora profile in the last 30 days. My Quora answers gaining thousands of views without running ads. You can also add affiliates and your website link to increase your traffic and earn commissions. But if you are using too many affiliate links in your answers, Quora ban your account. I share a trick on how to avoid getting banned on Quora. For example, if you are answering 5 questions a day, you only add your affiliate link in 2 answers, and in the first 2 weeks, please avoid adding an affiliate link in your answers. You need to create a brand new Quora profile. If you already have an account on Quora, you skip this step. Simply go to Quora.com. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new profile. Enter your name, email, and password to create a new account. After creating an account, go to Profile Settings, set the profile picture, tagline, and bio of your profile, and also set credentials and highlights. Now, how to find questions related to your niche. Simply go to the search bar, search topic, for example, best web hostings. Set the time to the past week. As you can see, there are a lot of questions available. For example, pick up one of these questions. How to answer these questions? Simply go to toolbuddy.com. Go to Paragraph Generator, copy the question from Quora and paste it into the box, solve the CAPTCHA and click on Write. After a few seconds, this tool generates full answer to this question. Copy this answer from TubeBuddy and click Answer. Paste this answer on Quora, add affiliate links in this answer to promote a product and earn commissions. For example, select the text, click on Add Link, paste the affiliate link here and click on Post this answer. The last step, how to gain thousands of views on your Quora profile. If you want to gain more views on answers, join at least 4 to 5 spaces on Quora as a contributor related to your niche. Quora spaces mean group like Facebook group. For example, this space cover SEO and marketing content. Share your answer to these spaces to get more exposure and answer these spaces questions. Because these groups already have followers, which means your answers will be exposed to more people. Work on this Quora affiliate marketing strategy at least 2 months, as I have already shown you my earning proof of how I made $3,000 a month with this strategy. If you have any problem, please comment on this video. In the previous video, I show you how to make $26,700 per month by YouTube automation copy-paste method. If you are not watching this video, link in the description, go and check out this amazing video. I hope guys love this amazing Make Money Online video. If you love this video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video for more Make Money Online content.